Molecular formula of compounds. Molecular formula. A molecular formula of a compound is a symbolic representation of its molecule. It shows the number of atoms of each element present in it. These atoms combine in whole numbers to form the molecule. So, molecular formula of a compound. How to form the molecular formula of a compound? So, there are few steps which we have to remember when we are writing the molecular formula. First step, write the symbol. First, we will write the symbol of that element related to which we want to make formula. Second is interchange the valency number. Third is write the valency of the symbols. Fourth is write the interchange number at the base, and fifth is write the formula of compound. So now we can take some examples to write these. Suppose example number first is calcium chloride. Now we know that the symbol of calcium is Ca and symbol of chlorine is Cl. Chloride we can represent like this. Now what will be the valency of calcium? That is 2. And what is the valency of chlorine? That is 1. So what we will do now, we will interchange. Write the interchange number, write the valency of the symbol. So valency of calcium is 2 and valency of chlorine is 1. Now we will interchange it. 2 we will write here below chlorine and 1 we will write here below calcium. So now we will write these valencies at the base. So Ca in base we will write 1 and in this we will write 2. So Ca1 Cl2. So this will be the our formula, or whenever 1 is at the base, so we can write it as Ca ignoring 1 Cl2. This will be our formula for calcium chloride. In the same way, some other examples are magnesium oxide. So magnesium oxide. So magnesium oxide, symbol of magnesium is Mg. Symbol of oxygen oxide, that is O. Valency on magnesium is 2. Valency of oxygen is again 2. So interchanging valencies, here we will write 2 and this valency we can write here, it will be 2. So these valencies now we will write in base. So Mg, this valency 2, and oxygen O, this valency 2. So on combining these, it will be Mg2 and O2. And if both the bases are same, we can divide it. So it will be Mg. So we can write it like this also. Calcium nitride. Calcium nitride. This is calcium, symbol of calcium is C, symbol of nitride is N. So valency of calcium will be +2 and valency of nitrogen is 3. So this valency we will write below nitrogen and this valency we will write below calcium. So 3. So now it will become Ca3. 3 we will write in the base whatever the valency is, and N here whatever in the base 2. So on combining this, it will become Ca3 and 2. So this will be the formula for calcium nitride. In the same way, some more examples are, one more is, that is ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate. So we know that what will be the symbol for ammonium, that will be NH4, and for carbonate it will be CO3. So what will be the valency in ammonium? That charge in this ammonium radical, that will be 1 only. And what will be the charge in CO3? That will be 2 minus charge 2. So this charge we will write here 1 and this 2 we can write here. So it will become NH4, and now this we will write this 2 in base, whole we will write here 2, NH4 whole twice, and this will be CO3 and at the base we can write 1, or we can either neglect to write 1 in the base. So it will be NH4 whole twice CO3. It is our ammonium carbonate. So this is the way by which we can write the molecular formula of compounds. Significance of molecular formula. So what is the use of molecular formula and how molecular formula is helpful for us? See, suppose I am taking here the example of calcium chloride, CaCl2. So first of all, this molecular formula will represent, because it is a molecular formula, it will represent one molecule of that particular compound. Here it is calcium chloride, so it will represent one molecule of that particular compound, like H2O. H2O is molecular formula of water. So H2O, this will represent one molecule of water. So number second, it molecular formula will represent number of each kinds of atoms present in it. See here calcium chloride it is, so calcium, how many calcium atom will be here? Only one. And how many chlorine atoms will be there? Two chlorine atoms. So by seeing molecular formula we can say calcium chloride is formed with one atom of calcium and two atoms of chlorine. Number third, the mass of one molecule can be calculated with the help of this molecular formula. Thank you.